I think it's important at the time being to cooperate between the different textile industries in the Mediterranean. As at 2020 we have the convention which stated that by year 2020 the Mediterranean should be cleaned, and the land-based establishment has to protect the environment and not to discharge anything to the Mediterranean. So we have a common problem, and in terms of textile we will have experience exchange and also knowledge transfer, maybe technology transfer. We will be able to have something in common and maybe standardize our technologies in such a way that it will be sustainable. I can talk about maybe the Egyptian companies. We are actively working on achieving cleaner production technology, especially on the private sector. We have about 4,000 private sector companies, and maybe about 30% of them now, they are trying to apply cleaner production technology to reduce their pollution load, and applying the low-cost to no-cost options rather than the expensive, which needs the funding. We have shortage of funding, and that's why we are limited now for the small options which does not cost that much. The three pillars of sustainable development or sustainability in industry is environment, economy, and social. So in terms of environment, they have to apply cleaner production options. They have to reduce raw materials and achieve material efficiency, energy efficiency, and reducing pollution load, recycle as much as they can. So that is, applying new technology. In terms of social, they have to protect their workers and achieve safety, and also the surrounding community. And they should have some kind of corporate social responsibility. And the third one is the economy, and that will encourage them either to export their goods and to get the certificates for sustainability, which is mainly the eco-labeling. Okay, the best practice is to apply continuous batch process, also to recycle the clean rinse back to the original rinse, to integrate some operations like the desizing and the bleaching, desizing and the scouring, and that will save lots of water. To recycle the condensate from the steam condensate is very clean, and it can be recycled as feed boiler water. To maybe install spring valves which stop automatically on the tip of the hoses, then that will reduce water consumption by 25%. So there is many things which we can do to reduce water consumption, and also if it's a cooling water, we have to close the circuits and recycle it through chillers, using chillers or cooling towers.